Hey everyone, welcome to All Techies. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create project on Firebase. This video will be the base for the upcoming video where I'm going to show you how you can add various Firebase services to your application. So let's see how we can add project on Firebase. So first open the firebase.google.com and you will see the page like this. So on the top right corner, you have an option called as Go to Console. Click on it. And then this will load a page where if you have a project, it will show you the available projects. And if you do not have anything, then it will show you this page where it asks to create a project. So click on Create a Project. After that, it asks for the project name. Now remember, this project name may or may not be equivalent to the project name which you have given for your Android or iOS application. It could be any name. So let me give this name as Demo. Accept the terms and conditions. Now click on Continue. Click on Continue. And now if you want to switch the analytics location, switch it to any country. This depends on like where your organization is. Or you can just leave it to United States. Click on I accept for all these terms and conditions, and then finally click on Create Project. So now this project is ready. Click on Continue. And that's it. So you have created a project on Firebase. Now it's time to link the Android, iOS, or the web apps. Let me try to add an Android app. So this is a place where you need to give the package name. So once you create a project in Android Studio, you'll get a package ID and you have to give it here. So for that, you can switch to the Gradle, and whatever application ID which you see there, you have to copy and paste it here. This could be like com.sample.myapp. Then give the nickname. This nickname is useful to identify this app because in a single project, you can add as many apps which you want. So let me give the same name as Demo. In case I want to use authentication, then I need to give the SHA-1 key. Now remember, this is optional. You can add it later on also. So click on Register App. So the moment you register it, you'll get the JSON file. You just have to download this JSON file and add it to the app directory of your project. After that, click Next. And now it will show you the dependencies which you need to add. Switch to Gradle and add the class path and the dependencies which you want. Now the default one shown here is Analytics, but you can add whatever services which you want. Like you can add for authentication, real-time, remote config, cloud storage, any such thing, whichever you want to use, you can add it here in the Android Studio. So now click on Next, and finally you can just skip this. That's it. By this way, you can create project on Firebase. The moment you create it, now you can use any of the Firebase services. And do remember, if you are using authentication, then first of all, switch to authentication on the Firebase console and toggle on the authentication mechanism. Like switch to sign-in method. And the moment you log in, you'll see that all of these things are disabled by default. So for whichever stuff which you need to add, like password based, phone based, Google, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, Yahoo, Apple, Microsoft, you need to enable those. For example, if you want to enable for Google, click on Save. That's it. Same is true for Google. Enable it. So by this way, you have to enable the authentication first, and then do not forget to add the SHA key. So that's it for this video. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how you can add the individual services to the Android application. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.